What type of weave is commonly used to make denim? A satin weave. B. Twill weave. C. Plain weave. D. Basket weave. Which type of fabric is known for its moisture-wicking properties? A. Wool. B. Polyester. C. Silk. D. Cotton. Which of these fibers is considered eco-friendly? A. Bamboo. B. Nylon. C. Acrylic. D. Spandex. Wool fibers shrink and mat together due to a. High heat and agitation. B. UV exposure. C. Acidic solutions. D. Prolonged drying. Antimicrobial textiles are treated to resist a. Shrinking. B. Bacteria and fungi. C. Fading. D. Wrinkling. Jute is commonly used to make R. A. Luxury garments. B. Sacks and ropes. C. Waterproof clothing. D. Sportswear. The machine used for weaving fabric is called a. Spinner. B. Extruder. C. Loom. D. Knitter. Polyester is derived from a. Natural oil. B. Synthetic polymers. C. Plant fibers. D. Protein fibers. Now your turn. Answer questions and comments below to win exciting prize. Winners will be selected from correct answer. Don't miss your chance to win.